Hello lovelies, you're so welcome to Cassia Naturals, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can style your natural hair in low manipulation hairstyle for hair growth. So I'm super excited. I'm going to use a comb and a hairspray and some bobby pins, just a few of them. And then we're going to use Isoplus Age Control. I did a review on that. Yes, I'm going to link it in the description box below so that you can check it out. So I love it very much, but of course it doesn't hold for 24 hours, but it doesn't leave my hair crunchy and no residue at all. But of course, some people certain products may not work for somebody, but it may work for some. So I'm spraying the spray on the edges. Like I've done quite a number of hairsprays. I'm going to link them in the description box below, which promote hair growth. So friends, I'm super excited because you know what? My hair is growing. It's hallelujah. So my challenge ended. So I'm planning to do another challenge in August. Make sure that you check out for that. Yes, I'm going to share one of these days. So I'm just getting a sizable amount and then dabbing it on the perimeter of our hair. I'm not going to apply it all over our hair strands, but just on the perimeter so that our hair could be laid, as you can see. So subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Give this video a like and comment in the section below, friends. So in as much as I love sharing, friends, I want my channel to grow to a bigger audience. And if you want to be seeing more of such videos, then consider subscribing, friends. So to my 430 subscribers, thank you so much. Virtual hugs to you, friends. So I'm just working my hands, laying it down, and then I'm going to use a thread. Then I'll just gather the hair together, as you can see. So this is something that you can do in a few minutes without any hassle. So I love low maintenance hairstyles because they don't wreak havoc on your edges, neither on your scalp. So make sure that you tie it lightly. Don't tight it so tight, friends. You don't want to experience a headache. So beauty shouldn't hate. So that is how it looks like. It's loosely tied. Then I'll come back to it later. Then I'm doing the front section. So I'm getting our gel, then apply it on the perimeter of my hair so that the front section could be laid, as you can see. So I love this hairstyle very much. Yeah, so I'm just using my hands. I'm not going in with brushes. So I'm going to gather the hair together like so, then gently twist it like so, and then pin it there. Have you seen how the style is coming up? I love it so much. And then I'm going to pin with a bobby pin like so. So friends, low manipulation hairstyles are good if you have a challenge with your hair is thinning, you have thinning edges. This is one of the hairstyles that you can do. It can actually last for 1 week. This is low maintenance. So I'm twisting the back of the ponytail, and then we are going to pin it down with just one bobby pin. So I just only use 2 bobby pins. So comment in the section below, friends. I love interacting. So that is how the back looks like. And that is how the front looks like. As you can see, the gel worked very well. I love it. But of course, in the review that I did, 2 of my friends did say that it never worked for them. But, for me, it works. Yes. As you can see, you can go on the go. Once you apply it, you won't see any residues and you can go. So I'm just showing you how it looks like. I love it. Yes, yet so simple. So at this point, I'm going to put on a scarf. So you can skip this step if you so wish, but I just wanted my hair to be laid. Yes, and one thing I love about Isoplus gel is that it doesn't leave any residues, but if only it could last. I would love the formulators to do something about lasting at least for 24 hours. So I left the scarf on for 15 minutes, and make sure that you are gentle when tying. So we are removing it. basically, like, of course, you won't see much difference, but of course, our hair was laid. And after 24 hours, like, my hair was soft, it wasn't crunchy, and there was no any residues. Yes, so subscribe to our channel, friends. Give this video a like and comment in the section below. So at this point, we are done. I'm super excited. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Comment in the section below. Give this video a like. And comment in the section below if you love low manipulation hairstyles. So thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in our next video.